Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Trisha and you are watching Trish Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you Dhaba Style Paneer recipe. This is a delicious side dish recipe made using paneer, tomatoes, onions and variety of spices. So without wasting our time, let's see how to make Dhaba Style Paneer Masala. I am using here 400 grams of paneer. Firstly, in a pan, heat oil and fry the paneer pieces and keep aside. In the same pan, heat oil and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add green cardamom, cinnamon and cumin seeds. Saute till the spices turn aromatic. Now add 2 large onions finely chopped. Saute till it releases oil. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute well. Now add tomato puree. I am using here 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Saute till it releases oil. Now add dry masalas, cumin seeds powder, coriander seeds powder, garam masala, turmeric, chili powder and salt. Mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Switch off the flame, then add yogurt. It will help reduce the chances of yogurt curdling. Now switch on the flame again. Mix continuously, keeping the flame on low. Add half tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi. Add 2 cups of water and boil the gravy for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Add the paneer pieces. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or till paneer absorbs the spices. Add green chilies. Add chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Our paneer masala is ready. Serve paneer masala with roti or rice. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.